Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the skate error code 42698252243. The error reads, "Cannot find an internet connection. Please check your PC network settings." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game but are unable to log in due to the network issue. According to our research, this error occurs when the game cannot detect an internet connection. This could be because of your network setup, or it might be a server-side issue from EA. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the network. Simply turn off your console and router, then unplug them from the power source, then wait for a few minutes, and then restart both. After everything is powered back on, check for the error again. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. Simply go to your game library and select the skate game and check for any available updates. If an update is available, install it and check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try connecting your console over a different network. You can use another Wi-Fi connection or a mobile hotspot. After switching the network, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, go to help.ea.com, go to N server status, and check if the EA or skate servers are down. If there is a server-side issue, you may need to wait until the servers are back online. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.